What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm bringing a new series to the channel called Fix and Flip. What we're gonna do is show you guys that you can buy stuff and flip it, whether it's truck related or anything, make money. I live on Facebook Marketplace, and it's funny because I'm the king of finesse of buying stuff for under cost or what people are selling for. I never pay full price. So I'm gonna show you guys right here, pop up on the screen. These are the wheels I found on Marketplace. They're in Orlando, which is about 2 hours here, but I got the guy to meet me halfway. So we're gonna see the deal on them. You see how cheap the price is. We're gonna see what we can get these wheels for. So you're definitely gonna wanna stick around. So I'll see you guys right back here if we get the wheels. All right, so we're back and we got the wheels, guys, and we got one hell of a deal. I'm gonna turn around and flip the camera and show you guys right here the wheels that we got. All right, so here are the wheels here. These are 24 by 14 fuel forged on 35s, and I didn't know this until I got there. These are concave, and they came with billet caps, so this makes it even more of a steal on these wheels. The only thing is they do have a little bit of curb rash, which I can either fix that or leave it. It doesn't matter, but tires got some good tread on them, and these wheels are actually really clean for what they are. But like I said, I had no idea when I went to go pick these up that these are concave. So we got these for 2,500 bucks, which is a hell of a steal, because correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure these rims for 2414 with billet caps, concave, I'm pretty sure they're around a little close to like $1,500 a rim. So for 2,500 bucks with tires, we got that for a steal. Yeah, so come to find out, when I met the guy, really nice guy, owns his own shop in Orlando, Florida. Told me the wheels were for his personal truck. That's why if you look on the lip, it says Boss instead of Fuel Forge. He customly had them powder coated by Fuel. I didn't even know, like I said, he pulled up and we looked at the wheels in the back of the truck, and they were 2414 concaves. And I was like, man, that's even crazier. So I asked the dude, I was like, what's the deal on these wheels? And he was like, you know, he didn't want to deal with the hassle. He got newer wheels, didn't want to deal with Facebook Marketplace, people lowballing, all this and that. So, and I was the first person to hit him up to say, hey, I'll get these wheels, and he jumped on it. So basically what I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to wash the wheels up and clean them up, make them look really nice, spray some tire shine, and show you guys that it's easy to flip. Because in my opinion, I'm gonna probably list these for $5,000 the way they are, and then easily take 4,500 for them, because anything over 2,500 bucks, which is what I paid, is profit. Or what I might do, because the only thing that is hard is these are powder coated gold, so unless someone specifically comes along and wants them, I might take them down to my local buddy's shop and have them stripped, and then we might show you guys how to polish them, because all wheels that are powder coated that are aluminum, they're polished underneath. So you can easily have them chemically stripped, take the powder coat off, sand them a little bit, and polish them. So we're gonna see, like I said, I'm gonna test the waters here. I'm gonna post them up the way they are, and we're gonna see if someone wants them. If not, like I said, worst comes to worst, I'm gonna, you know, strip them for 200 bucks, only being the wheels $2,700. And then, I mean, I guess you figure whatever my time is polishing and sanding, which I'm gonna do it every day for, you know, probably 2 or 3 days it's gonna take me. So hopefully by this weekend, I plan on making money. But anything after 2,700, if I polish and strip them, is gonna be profit. If not, I somehow they are with the curb rash. Anything over 2,500 bucks is profit. So I'm gonna show you guys that how easy it is if you wanna buy and flip stuff, whether it's truck related or anything. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these wheels cleaned up. They're pretty dirty, and then we're gonna get them listed and see what happens. guys saw, we got these wheels washed up. They're looking really clean right here behind me. Weren't really dirty, you know, normal stuff, brake dust, whatever. Like I said earlier, these are concave. So for you guys that don't know, they came out with, I want to say 3 years ago, they came out with concave. So they have flat face like this, and then they have concave where the face is angled out like this. So basically what concave does is it's where it's not flat like this. The spokes are angled out like that. So what it does is it eliminates you for when you want to run these wider wheels with these crazy offsets. It takes all the stress off of your hub assembly, and it makes it to where you can still be a 14 or a 16 wide, but instead of having a flat face with a deep dish or a deep lip, it's now concave, so that it's going off the center where your center cap is, saying that the diameter of that wheel is concaved, meaning that even though, because when I went to buy these, they looked like they were 12 wides until I saw them, it's actually a 14 wide. So it's actually a pretty good idea. The only thing is they're more expensive for concaves. And then plus, like I said, these wheels have billet caps on them. So that's even more money. I mean, that's $500 alone right there on the billet cap. So as you guys saw, I cleaned them up. We're going to post them up here, see if we get any hits on them the way they are. If not, like I said, what I'm probably going to do is strip them and then polish them, and then anybody will get them. But I live down here in South Florida. I see people every day riding around with gold wheels, gold lifts on any colored vehicle. So we're gonna post them up and see what happens, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can make easy money flipping wheels just like these. All right, so it's been about a week or so since we dropped off the gold fuel forged wheels, and we dropped them off at a local shop to have them stripped, get the powder taken off so that we can sand and polish them and bring them back to a mirror shine. So I just got the phone call saying that they're done, so now we're gonna go pick them up. So I will see you guys when we pick the wheels up.
They do look really good.
Get the other guys to look at this shit. I ain't gonna pull my back.
Hey, so what happens when you get...
These things look really good.
Actually, it was really good. I'll lift them up, it don't matter.
Oh, I got it.
Hey, I thought you said you were old, man.
I am old. That's the one that's stuck in the back. I'm old. I got a lot of injuries.
I know. I'm giving you shit.
Just picking on me.
Let me try that.
You what?
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Take care.
You too.
Take care.
All right, so as you guys see behind me, we just picked up our wheels from being stripped, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys can see right here, they came out really nice. Of course, there's some spots where we're probably gonna have to sand, you know, like towards there, we're gonna have to sand and kind of touch up, but they came out really nice. Same with the caps. Caps came out really nice. Just gonna have to polish them. The cool thing is these were actually polished at fuel before they were powder coated. The guy that I bought them from originally wanted them polished, and then he called back and changed his mind and said, hey, I want them powdered. So they were originally powdered or polished before they were powdered. So what we're gonna have to do is I might have to sand a little bit. I'm gonna try and cut in color first, cut it with my orange cut wheel, heavy cut, see if that knocks some of it off. If not, we might have to actually hit it with, you know, maybe 600, maybe drop down to 320. Don't know. But over the next couple of days, we're gonna cut in color with one of them, see what we gotta do, polish them up, and then I haven't decided yet if we're gonna buy new tires or not, Might just sell the rims the way they are, but I still think these came out really nice. So what I'm going to do is do a little time lapse showing you guys me cleaning them, and then we're going to cut and polish and see how they come out. So I'll see you guys after we cut and color.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Guys, so it's been a few weeks since I recorded this video last. I don't think you can really see behind me, but we've got the gold wheels that we stripped and that were polished. They are getting sold right now. We finally had somebody hit us up. I've been dealing with so many low balls, and like I said, I finally got an offer. But we also got a set of tires for them that I'm picking up at a buddy's house right now. They're a set of 33s that we're throwing on here. And we have a guy that hit me up on Facebook Marketplace that is wanting to buy them. And we're going to make some really good money. So I'm finally selling these wheels for episode 1 that I never posted because I ended up posting episode 2, which should have been 1 and this should have been 2. But either way, this is technically episode 1 so of the Flip or Flop series. So like I said, we're headed right now to go get the tires, meet the dude, get our money, and then we will be headed back home. So I will see you guys when we get to sell these wheels. All right, guys, so we're back at the house. We got our gold wheels that we originally had stripped, sold, got the money. Customer took them. They're on his truck. We made some pretty good profit from after we bought the wheels, stripped them, still came out positive. Like I told you guys before, there are deals to be made. You just got to watch out on Marketplace because of people scamming, people taking your money, all kind of stuff like that. But there is money to be made in flipping wheels, lift kits, all kind of stuff. That's going to be the second episode. Technically, it's episode 1 because I already filmed and finished the second episode that we did. But this will be episode 1, but it's coming after episode 2, so it's all messed up. But anyways, this is our second video on flipping wheels. Our black ones should be sold that I got a couple weeks ago for episode 3. I haven't finished filming that, but we got a buyer already wanting to come and get them in the next day or so. So that video should be uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new. I've got a lot more content coming out. I've been off for a little bit now doing other kind of stuff. I got about 3 or 4 weeks till my son's here, so I've been kind of busy with baby stuff and working, but I am pumping out these videos and we're coming back even stronger. So as always, I will see you guys in the next one.